again. Thanks for visiting our English lesson. And today we would like to explain for beginners. It's a true beginner's lesson because what do you have to know when you start out with English? It is to be or not to be. You heard that before. To be or not to be, that is the question. So, let me show you a very easy trick to understand how to use to be correctly. Have a little look. These words here, we all call them personal pronouns. And when you look at our little table here, you see it's very easy because for I only use I am. For instance, I am an English teacher. I am in Germany. And that means when I say I am an English teacher, I am in Germany, similar to many other European languages, that you show who you are. And here we are. I can ask Rafa. Rafa, are you a musician?
Yes, I am.
You are a musician, Rafa. Oh, how interesting. Super interesting. So, you see, Rafa, are you a musician? You see in the question, I go crisscross. I can ask Rafa, Rafa, are you an engineer?
No, I'm not.
What did Rafa say? Rafa said, no, I am not. So, I can say, let's try this again. Rafa, are you a musician?
Yes, I am.
Rafa, are you an engineer?
No, I am not.
I am not, he said. Okay. Rafa, ask me.
Marie, are you an English teacher?
Yes, I am an English teacher. That's right.
Marie, are you a cheesemaker?
Sorry, Rafa. No, I am not a cheesemaker. Everything but a cheesemaker, okay?
Marie, are you a professional skateboarder?
Me and skateboard. Sorry, Rafa. No, I am not a skateboarder, okay? I'm not a skateboarder. But I'm a swimmer.
Oh,
I love to swim, but no, I'm sorry. I am not a skateboarder. Rafa, are you in Germany too?
I am in Germany.
Oh, wonderful. So, you see, Rafa and I, we are in Germany.
Yes, we are.
Rafa, are we in France?
No, we are not.
Again, no, we are not in France. That's right. We are not in France because we are in Germany. You know, every person can only be in one place at a time. So we are in Germany, but we're not in France, definitely. Rafa, are we in Italy?
Unfortunately, we are not.
Too right. Unfortunately, we're not in Italy. There you go. What about you guys out there? What did I use? I said, Rafa, are you in Germany? Rafa said, yes, I am in Germany. Now I'm talking to you guys. So you see, I can ask you, are you in Germany? Okay. Some said, yes, I am in Germany. Very good. Some say, I am in India. Some say, I am in Greece. Aha! So only some of you all out there are in Germany. Some of you are in India. Some of you are in Italy. Some of you maybe are in Brazil. So you see, you are not in Germany. You are in Italy. You are in France. You are in Brazil. Or maybe you are in India. I'm talking to you all guys, but the word is all the same, just like when I'm talking to Rafa. Let's have a look at that. Let me give you an example. Rafa, these guys out there who watch YouTube, are they in Germany?
Some of them are in Germany, but I can tell you one thing. They are awesome.
Yes, you're so right. You see, I'm talking to Rafa about you guys. I say, Rafa, I'm talking about you guys. Rafa, are they awesome?
Yes, they are.
You're so right. They are awesome. You see, I'm talking to Rafa about you guys out there. Rafa, what about Barbara and Jill? Are they English teachers?
Yes, they are.
Yeah, I think Barbara and Jill are good English teachers. What about Federico and Michele? Are they Italian teachers?
Yes, they are.
Aha. What about Jean and Claude? Are they English teachers?
No, they are not.
They're not! Ma, here we have our not again. So you see the not is all the same. It is all the same. So Jean and Claude are not English teachers. Well, what are they, Rafa?
They are French teachers.
They are French teachers. Jean and Claude are French teachers. I see. What about Michele and Francesco? Are they English teachers?
No, they are not. They are Italian teachers.
They are Italian teachers. Very good. But they're not French teachers because they are Italian teachers. So you see, the only exception we have is for I. And let me ask you again. Do you stand in front of the mirror and say, am I an English teacher? The structure would be the same. If you really do that at home, stand in front of the mirror, asking yourself something. Am I an English teacher? But you hardly will do that. So, but introducing yourself, you would say, I am Marie. I am an English teacher. What have we left out? There is something that is missing. And guess what? I separated that a little bit. It is our personal pronoun, he or she or it. Here we have our for all these personal pronouns. And only for he or she or it, we use. So, let me ask you. You guys out there, is Rafa a musician? Right. Yes, Rafa is a musician. He is a musician. Let me give you another question. Is Marie an English teacher? Right. She is an English teacher. Right. let me ask you. Is this marker blue? Right. This marker is blue. Rafa, let me ask you. Is this marker red?
No, it isn't.
Here it is. No, it is not red. This marker here is blue. And Rafa tricked you into something because I can go like that. I can take the shortcut. I can say no, it isn't. I can also take the shortcut here. And I can say R. And what left out is no, I'm not. You can't shorten that. So, when I say, are you an English teacher? What is the answer?
Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not.
Very good. I'm asking you all out there, all you guys who are watching. Are you English teachers? Right. Some of you say no, I'm not. Some of you maybe say yes, I am. And we. Oopsie. Also have our hair. So, Rafa, you and I, are we English teachers?
Yes, we are.
There you go. Rafa, are we engineers?
No, we're not.
No, we're not engineers, definitely. Oh, no, we aren't engineers. Keep it at low profile. Yeah? And when I talk about Rafa, is Rafa a musician? Very good. Yes, he is. Is Rafa an engineer? Right. No, he isn't. So, you see, the whole structure is very easy because for you, both yous, and we, and they, those people out there in the street, we use R for positive and not for negative. And only for I use N, and for he, she, it, is, or isn't. Do you have any more questions?
No, that's pretty clear.
Okay, great. If you have questions, contact me on my webpage. So, for today, I thank you very much. Please like and remember to